The Restock Planner is a valuable tool designed to work seamlessly with your buy sheets, providing an efficient and organized way to store essential information on your best-selling items. With this planner, you can effortlessly monitor stock levels, make important notes, and add relevant links for quick and easy restocking. Effective inventory management for your top-selling products is vital for the long-term success and growth of your business. By copying the relevant data from your buy sheets into the Restock Planner, you create a streamlined system for keeping track of these key items. Staying on top of restocking needs for your best-selling items is crucial in maintaining consistent sales and revenue. The Restock Planner enables you to monitor stock levels, promptly identify when products are running low, and take timely action to replenish your inventory. Furthermore, the Restock Planner offers a clear overview of your product performance, allowing you to make informed decisions regarding the expansion of your product range or the phasing out of less successful items. This comprehensive insight into your inventory helps you optimize your product offerings and maximize profits. In summary, the Restock Planner is an indispensable resource for managing your inventory efficiently, ensuring that your best-selling products are always in stock, and ultimately driving the growth and success of your business.